Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Tunisia. First of all, we need to understand whether PayPal is providing its services in Tunisia or not. And if it is providing that, we will have to access Tunisia's PayPal account from there. For that, first of all, open your web browser and search for PayPal countries. Now click on the first link in the list, and this is the page where you will see all of the countries with their respective flags where PayPal is basically providing its services. Now we need to simply search for Tunisia, and as you can see that it is available here. So click on Tunisia so that you would be landed on the Tunisian PayPal homepage. Now click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner, and here make sure that Tunisia as a country is selected. Now provide your email address on this section and click on next in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to simply follow further on-screen instructions. That includes providing your first name, your last name, creating a strong password for your account. You may also be asked to provide your banking details as well. So you need to do that in order to successfully set up your PayPal account from Tunisia. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.